Hello, my name is Laik Nurhan. I'm an undergraduate research assistant at Institute of Smart Systems and Artificial Intelligence. This is the second part of the tutorials on speech command recognition. Today, I will talk about the data generation. The data generation has three parts. In this video, I'm going to talk about the TTS-generated dataset. Text-to-speech synthesis is a machine learning task that involves converting written text into spoken words. The goal is to generate synthetic speech commands that sound natural and resemble human speech as closely as possible. On the right side, you can see the list of commands. The Google Speech Command Dataset version 2.35 includes more than 100,000 samples of 35 commands, involving 2,618 unique speakers in the data collection process. Also, we translated 35 English commands in JSCD v2 35 to Kazakh language. Marvin and Shayla were replaced with read and write commands due to the unavailability of direct translations for these terms in the Kazakh language. So now let's move on to the synthetic data generation with TTS models. After having 35 text command, with textual augmentations, additional variations of existing textual data are generated. For example, the command артқа was augmented as артқа with the additional letters at the end. Next, the original and augmented text commands are converted into speech commands using the five TTS voices, precisely 3 females and 2 males. So in total, there are 10 speech commands per sample. So now, let's move on to the coding part. First step, you need to go to ESI GitHub page, find the Kazakh speech commands dataset, and clone this repository. In this project, we use Piper to generate synthetic speech commands. Piper is a fast, local neural text-to-speech system. It provides 5 voices for the Kazakh language. In order to generate speech command for Kazakh language using Piper, you need to download and unzip the model from Google Drive. After these steps, you will get the following. For the first part of the data generation tutorial, we need synthetic data generation file. In the first cell, we're defining the required packages. As you can see, we're using subprocess. Subprocess enables you to run system commands and manage the execution of external processes from within your Python code. Next, we're defining a path to a Kazakh TTS model. The number of voices is 6, but you need to take into account that 2 voices are repeated, and we will see it when we will place some of the commands. Also, we're defining a path to save our synthetic dataset. Next, our 35 commands in Kazakh. And here we are creating new directory for each command. We're looping through commands, and if directory doesn't exist, we're creating a new one. So in this cell, we are looping through voices and commands, and in the subprocess module in Python, the CMD parameter refers to the command or command line string that you want to execute using the operating system's command interpreter. And here where you have to also indicate your model path. However, you should also keep in mind that depending on where your Piper file is located, your model path might be different, so you may adjust it. And finally, we're generating speech commands and saving them in the corresponding directories. After generating speech commands, let's play 2 commands артқа and алға as an example. Here we are also using audio class from the IPython display module. The audio class is used to load and play audio files within Jupyter Notebook. So let's play some of them.
артқа алға артқа алға
артқа алға артқа алға артқа алға артқа алға.
So as you can see, speaker 3 and 4 are repeated. In the next tutorial, we will be talking about scraping the Kazakh speech corpus to dataset. Thank you for your watching.